Welcome to Darwinex Zero. If you're watching this, it means you have an active subscription and you have just received your virtual account. So congratulations, you are now officially in the calibration phase. During this phase, all you need to do is trade as you normally would. It's not a test or a challenge that you can fail. It's simply a time for us to get to know your trading style so that we can create your DARWIN Index, the vehicle through which you can attract investment. So to start off strong, we recommend using low leverage and focusing on consistency over quick gains. Once your Darwin is live, your returns will be risk adjusted by our proprietary risk engine, so you really do just need to focus on taking the best positions. It's essential that you trade as you know best, staying focused on your strategy and avoiding any distractions relating to position sizing. Your goal is to extract points from the market and not to be influenced by noise. Some key considerations to make during the calibration phase is that all trading activity in this phase will be recorded in your track record. You need to complete 25 representative trading decisions over a minimum of 15 trading days with open trades. And this typically takes about 3 trading weeks. And then once the calibration is complete, your Darwin Index will be created during the following weekend when markets are closed. On the first market open after calibration, your index will automatically appear in the DarwinIA SILVER ranking with its corresponding risk-adjusted metrics. Having your Darwin Index means that you're now ready for attracting investment, DarwinIA seed allocations, and even later on, investor capital. So thank you guys for watching, and we wish you the very best on your trading journey.